Welcome to a new video from All Bicycles. Have you just started mountain biking? Or have you been doing this for some time? In this video, we give 5 tips for a better mountain bike experience. Number 1. Stay relaxed and balanced. Keep your body loose and flexible, especially your arms and legs, which act as natural shock absorbers. Maintain a balanced position over your bike, with your weight centered between the front and rear wheels. This helps you react better to changes in the terrain. Number 2. Look ahead. Focus on where you want to go, not where you don't. Look down the trail to anticipate obstacles and choose the best line. This helps you stay in control and make quick decisions about your path. Number 3. Gear management. Use your gears efficiently to maintain a steady cadence. Shift to a lower gear before you start climbing a hill and shift to a higher gear before descending. Smooth gear changes can help you conserve energy and keep your momentum. Number 4. Brake smartly. Use both brakes evenly to control your speed, but focus more on the front brake for effective stopping power. Brake before you reach a corner, then release as you go through it to maintain traction. Avoid sudden, hard braking to prevent skidding and loss of control. 5. Last but not least, practice and progress gradually. Start with easier trails to build your skills and confidence. As you become more comfortable, gradually tackle more challenging trails. Consistent practice helps you improve your technique and become a more proficient rider. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.